Okay, so this is more a motivational video than a business video, but it is a motivational video that if you apply what I'm going to tell you, I guarantee that your life will change for good. Now, how long do you spend on Instagram? How long do you spend on YouTube? How long do you spend on Facebook? And how long do you actually spend looking at other people's lives? Yeah, I know that this is a question that you're thinking, oh well, another dude talking about like the time that I spend on my phone. But here's the thing, when I used to hear people talking about that, I always had that same reaction. But when I started building my company, I quickly learned that losing time with social media, and this is completely counterintuitive because I own a social media marketing agency. Losing time with social media was the thing that was hurting my business the most. And not only in the business perspective, but also in a psychological perspective. Because what happened is you see a lot of people that they are really successful. And by doing that, you are following that person's life and you want to be that person. And that it's like completely normal and completely common. And the way that social media is designed, it's literally to show you the best part of someone's life and make you are that person, right? And I often see people and like talking about, for example, a movie and say like, I wish I was that guy. Or talking about like someone on social media and they say like, I wish I was that guy. So for that reason, I literally like went on Instagram and I unfollowed like every single person that was influential and so on from Instagram, and the only like people that I have following that I follow on my Instagram is people that are my close friends, and that is literally around like 15 people and so on. And if I showed you the number of hours that I actually spend on Instagram like per day, it's like you literally, there are days that I don't even look at the Instagram. So the thing is, instead of living the life that is presented to you on Instagram, my question for you and my advice and also challenge is, why don't you build that life for yourself? So that is the thought process that I started having with myself. What if, instead of wishing that I was that person, why don't I build a life that is better than that guy, right? And by having that thought process, it allowed me to actually start my business, grow it to 6 figures in only 3 months, and then completely growing the business from there, right? But again, like I had to change every single thing around me. I had to change every single habit that I had to change. I had to sacrifice a lot as well. And usually those are the things that people are not willing to do. So people prefer to wander on social media about other people's lives. So if you're watching this video right now, I want you to actually close this video. You don't even need to subscribe. Just grab a piece of paper and design your perfect life. Grab a piece of paper, write down how do you wish that your life is. Like imagine your life in a way. Actually go ahead and write down. After that, your main goal should be to think on a 10 years, 20 years ahead, what are the things that you need to do to actually get that life. And then you need to reverse engineer and bring it down backwards to the daily tasks that you need to do that will take you there. One thing that I can tell you though is don't fall for the trap of being productive. Remember that doing a lot doesn't mean that you're being productive. So one tip that I can give you about productivity is for you to define what is the most important task that you have to do for that day and block the entire day just to focus on that task and do the best as you can to complete that task and actually go forward with your life and actually live the life that you wish. Now, that is a simple advice, yet it's the only advice that works. I find funny on how often people just wonder. I wonder how my life would be if I had $1 million. I wonder how my life would be if I had a private plane. I wonder how my life would be if I could travel the world. Instead of wondering, design your life and do exactly what it takes to get there. It's as simple as that. Just putting the work. Is every single day waking up at 5 a.m., going to sleep at 11 p.m., doing work every single day, and it's the only way to make it. Now, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I upload a video not like this every single day on the channel. It's more usually related to business and social media marketing. And if you want to learn more about business, just subscribe to the channel. That is counterintuitive as well. But anyways, yeah, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you tomorrow. My name is Carlos Arthur and bye.